So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to unbox our Hacktoberfest goodies which has just arrived now. So let's open this package. It's directly came from Hacktoberfest, which was conducted in the month of October in 2022. So after we open the package, we first see our t-shirt. So let's see. The t-shirt looks, the t-shirt quality of the t-shirt is really nice, and you get a Hacktoberfest logo on front and some graffiti in your backside. And let's now see what's inside the package. Here is a postcard which says enjoy your stickers. It means it contains stickers, and second, it has a coaster for your coffee mug or some other things, which has an QR code, which I'm definitely going to see what's is in it. And here are the some stickers. Now let's see our t-shirt from a closer view. So here's the Hacktoberfest logo on this front of the t-shirt, and when we see the back side, you can see binary digits encoded, which gives its nice pattern Hacktoberfest logo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up.